How to delete login history on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step how you can do it. So let's get started. For that, you can open up your Facebook application, open it up. And then once you open up Facebook here, you should be finding this given interface. So the next thing you can do is once you are logged in, you can head over to your menu bar at the top and open up settings. So locate up settings. You may scroll down, go to settings and privacy, drop it down, and select settings from the options. Once you open up settings, go over the account center, the very first option right here, tap on it, and it opens up your account center. So from here, you need to scroll down and look for the option of password and security. Tap on it. And once tapped on it here, it will show you security checks. So you can look for the option of where you are logged in and tap on it. After you tap on it, head over to your account, your Facebook account, and there it will show you the list of devices. So all you gotta do is, in order to look out for your history, you can look out for this option of select devices to log out. Tap on it, and then it gives you option. So you can simply select it like this and look out for this option of log out and tap on it. And once that is done, you will be logged out from your Facebook account and your history will be deleted on Facebook. So this is how you basically do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.